What microscope is used for zebrafish research? Zebrafish is not only an ornamental fish, but also plays a very important role in scientific research and industrial applications. Zebrafish acts under stereofluorescence microscope (MZX81). The distribution of visible pigments in zebrafish larvae photographed by much-hot stereo microscope. Much-hot stereo microscopes MZX81 and MZX100 use a Galileo optical system with dual parallel light paths. It has excellent fluorescence imaging effect. We recommend the much-hot stereo fluorescence microscope MZX81 with a high-sensitivity camera for high-quality fluorescence observation. It can also help the research and publication of high-scoring papers in colleges and universities. Bright field stereo microscopes can be upgraded with simple stereo fluorescence accessories to realize single-color or dual-color fluorescence observation, good color reproduction, and rich details. The upgrade of Olympus, Nikon, Zeiss, Leica stereo microscopes only requires a set of much-hot fluorescence illuminators. Simple operation, long life, memorized brightness.